Hey Joe, this is Brad at LaGrange Toyota. I want to send you a video of another Pyrite Mica double cab Tacoma we have here. This one is a TRD off-road 4-wheel drive. So you can see it does have the alloy wheels with the BF Goodrich rugged trail tires, the Predator step bars. Now your TRD off-road is going to give you that upgraded suspension, going to be an even smoother ride. Again, rail tie-down system. This one does have a 400-watt AC plug-in in the bed. Of course, all-weather cover on it. You just flip it up, and there it is. Backup camera, tow package, V6, of course. You see the 4-wheel drive mud flaps. Same interior, except it's graphite in color. Same storage under the seats, as well as behind them. Power windows and power door locks. Power side view mirrors. Fog lights. Rear differential lock. Your 400-watt AC button, you push that, comes on. Downhill assist control and response stability control. All your steering wheel controls again. Same dash cluster. 6.1-inch Entune Audio Plus, AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth audio, MP3 capable, CD player, traffic and weather. Your climate control. Your advanced track button, your USB and auxiliary plug-in, and your two 12-volt car chargers. Everything should look pretty similar on the inside, save the color. Now this one does come with 3 years, $35,000 complimentary maintenance instead of your 2-year, $25,000. It also has your 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, your 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, and yes, again, this one is covered by the Tires for Life, exclusive to LaGrange Toyota. Let me know what you think of this one. Let me know if I'm getting warmer on what you like as far as equipment, options, preferences. Take care, Joe.